If you want to stop Namecheap from automatically renewing one of your domains, this video will walk you through it step by step. Turning off auto-renew is useful if you're planning to move the domain, let it expire, or simply take more control over your renewals. And if this tutorial helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech guides just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, go ahead and log into your Namecheap account. Once you're inside your dashboard, look over to the left-hand sidebar and click on Domain List. This is where Namecheap shows all of the domains currently connected to your account. Now find the domain you want to manage. If you own multiple domains, take a moment to make sure you're selecting the correct one, because the renewal setting you change will apply to that specific domain. Once you've found it, click the Manage button next to the domain name. This will open the settings page for that domain, where you can control things like renewal, privacy, and other domain options. On the Manage page, look for the Auto Renew option. This is the setting that tells Namecheap whether to automatically renew the domain when it gets close to expiration. If Auto Renew is turned on, simply toggle it to off. Once you switch it off, Namecheap will no longer attempt to renew that domain automatically. Now, there's one more thing you should check. If your domain has domain privacy enabled, it may have a separate Auto Renew option of its own. So take a quick look at the privacy settings and check whether Privacy Auto Renew is also active. If you do not want the privacy service to renew automatically either, turn off Privacy Auto Renew as well. This is an important step because some users only disable the domain renewal and forget that privacy protection may still renew separately. After that, double-check everything before you leave the page. Make sure the main domain Auto Renew is disabled, and if needed, confirm that the Privacy Auto Renew setting is off too. It's always a good idea to verify the status so you know exactly what will happen when the expiration date comes around. And remember, once Auto Renew is off, you'll need to manually renew the domain before it expires if you want to keep it. If you miss the expiration date, the domain may become unavailable or go through the normal expiration process, so be sure to mark your calendar if you still plan to keep it. That's it. You've now turned off the Renew button on your Namecheap domain. If this video helped you out, please give it a like and subscribe for more simple tutorials. And I'll see you in the next one.